Okay, so for today's video, we're going to revisit the RD400 reflex sight. I really wasn't happy with this thing, couldn't get it to hold zero at all, but it was advertised as being shockproof, and I always wondered what that meant. So today I thought I'd put it through a little test. I'm going to crush it off this car hood provided by my brother Joe. Thanks, brother. And I'm going to crush it with a sledgehammer, and we're going to see what happens. It still works, so we're going to move on to round two. So after that second hit, this is pretty much what I was left with. The glass is cracked, but it's not broken. It's still in there pretty good. But the internals, they're done. No image. So, to me, shockproof now means 2 hits with a sledgehammer off a car hood. Anyway, you guys be safe, and thanks for watching.